What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create and send invoices in PayPal. So first off, go to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in PayPal. After typing, you will see this first official website of PayPal. Just click on this website and after clicking, you will be entering into this home page of PayPal. So if you are new to PayPal like me, just simply sign up. Or if you have previously logged in before, you can just simply log in to access PayPal. I am new to PayPal, so I'll just sign up with my email. I'm sorry guys, due to some security reason, I was not able to sign up with PayPal, but here's how I'll tell you how to create an invoice. When you will go to the home page of PayPal, just click on this tools and click on invoicing, or you will see the option on the left side or your right side on the top to create an invoice. After clicking on that, you will be redirected to this part where you will enter the email of the person that you want to send the invoice to. Now you will write the email and then you write the item name, price, tax, and description. And when you're done, just click on send and it will send it to the person's email and the other person can easily read your PayPal invoice. So this is how you can create and send invoice on PayPal. That was all for this video guys. Thank you everyone for watching.